Hello friends, welcome back to chapter number 7, exercise number 7.2. As you know, there are main three concepts in this chapter. The first concept, and that is distance formula. Second concept, that is section formula. And third one is midpoint formula. We have already completed exercise number 7.1, that is on the base of distance formula. We have also solved some illustration before exercise number 7.2, that is on the base of section formula as well as midpoint formula. We have also solved first for example of exercise number 7.2. Now, the last 6 examples 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, that is on the basis of the section formula as well as midpoint formula. Let us start example number 5 of exercise number 7.2. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. So let me draw the figure first. So the point A is 1 and minus 5. Point B is minus 4 and 5. You have to find out the ratio, means you have to find out M as well as N, in which the line segment joining these two is divided by the x-axis. Now this point P, it is on x-axis. A point which is on x-axis, y coordinate is always 0. So the coordinate of this point P is x0. Also find the coordinate of the point of division, means you have to find out value of x as well as M and N. So your question is M by N is equal to question mark. Similarly, Px0 is also your question mark. You know, here point P on x-axis divide this line segment, and that's why you have to use section formula. You know, according to section formula, x coordinate x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, where y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Here x is given to you, that is x. M is not given to you. x2 means 5. x2 means minus 4 plus n means n, x1 means 1 upon, again you can write n plus n. Here y means 0 is equal to m, y2 5 plus n, y1 means minus 5 upon m plus n. Now here you know x is also unknown, m plus n is also unknown. So it is not possible to find either mn or x from this first formula. But here y coordinate 0. So you can easily find out the value of m and n. So compare this. So 0 into m plus n means 0. So 0 is equal to 5m minus 5n. Therefore, 5m is equal to 5n, m by n is equal to 5 by 5, so m by n is equal to 1. So, the ratio in which the line segment joining these 2 points is divided by the x-axis, so the ratio is 1 by 1, means m is also 1 and n is also 1. Now your another question is to find out the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 means 2. So, x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2, and that's why point P x0 is equal to minus 3 by 2 0 is your final answer. So in the first example, you have to find out the ratio in which a point on x-axis divides the line segment joining two points A and B. And the another question is also find out the point of division. Means you have to find out the value of x. So first of all, by using y coordinate, you have to find out the value of m and n, that is ratio. Put the value of m and n in the formula of x coordinate. You can easily find out the value of x. So this is about example number 1. Now let me start question number 6. Solution of example number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, A 1, 2, B 4 and y, C x and 6, D 3 and 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. So your question is find the value of x and value of y. You know, we have already solved one example of this type. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. You know, bisect each other means midpoint of first diagonal, that is AC, is equal to midpoint of another diagonal, that is BD. Now AC, you know what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of AC is equal to 1 plus x by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2, and midpoint of BD means 3 plus 4 by 2, as well as the second coordinate is 5 plus y by 2. Now you know the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. So you can compare the first coordinate of point AC with the first coordinate of point BD. So you get 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. You can cancel 2. So you get 1 plus x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. And here your question is to find out the value of x and y. We have already found out the y by comparing x coordinate of midpoint of AC as well as x coordinate of midpoint of BD. Now let me compare y coordinate of AC as well as BD. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 by 2. So 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. 8 by 2 means 4 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. You can write 5 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 6 and value of y is equal to 3. So this is about question number 2. Parallelogram is given to you. The 4 vertices are given to you. But in 4 vertices, 2 unknown values are there, x as well as y. And your aim is to find out the value of x and y. How to find out x and y? You know, in parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. Therefore, the midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD are equal. By comparing x coordinate and y coordinate, you can easily find out the value of x as well as the value of y. Now, let me start example number 7. Now the seventh one is find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. So solution of equation number 7. Circle is given to you, one diameter, and the center of the diameter is known as center of the circle. Find the coordinate of a point A. Suppose this point A, where AB is the diameter. So AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3. So this center is 2 and minus 3, and the coordinate of B is 1 and 4. Very simple example. You know the third concept of this chapter, and that is midpoint formula. You can say this circle, the center of a circle is midpoint of a diameter. Is midpoint of diameter. Therefore, midpoint of AB is equal to 2, minus 3. Suppose, let me assume the coordinate of A is xy. So midpoint of AB means x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2 is equal to 2 and minus 3. Very simple example. Just you have to use midpoint formula. Now by comparing x coordinate as well as y coordinate, you can easily find out the value of x and y. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So x plus 1 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 1. So x is equal to 3. Similarly, by comparing second coordinate, you can easily find out the value of y. So y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 10. So the coordinate A, xy is equal to 3 and minus 10. So friends, one diameter is given to you. The coordinate of center is given to you. The coordinate of one point of diameter is given to you. You have to find out the coordinate of another point A of diameter AB. So this is about example number 7. Now let me start example number 8. If A and B are A minus 2 and minus 2 and B that is 2 and minus 4, this is point B. Respectively, find the coordinate of point P. So here one point P is there such that AB is equal to 3 by 7 AB. One relation is given to you. The value of AB is 3 by 7 times value of AB. And P lies on the line segment AB and the P lies on the line segment AB. Well, you know x1, y1 is given to you. x2, y2 is given to you. We have to find out the coordinate of P, that is x and y. So you need one ratio and that is known as MN. How to find out this? You know, from this relation we can say that AB upon AB is equal to 3 by 7. So here you can write AP is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 7. But for ratio you need AP as well as PB. So from AB is given to you and that is 7. So from AB, if you subtract AB, you can easily find out PB. So PB is equal to AB minus AP. AB means 7, AP means 3, so PB is equal to 4. So here M is equal to 3 and N is equal to 4. x1, y1 is given to you, x2, y2 is given to you. Direct ratio is not given to you. One relation is given to you. From this relation, we have prepared M as well as N. Here M is given to you. M plus N, that is 7 is given to you. You can easily find out N by subtracting M from 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So N is equal to 4. Now you know x1, y1, x2, y2 and Mn. You can easily find out the coordinate of point P by using section formula. So let me find out this with the help of section formula. The x coordinate is M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N. So M means 3, x2 means 2 plus N means 4, x1 again it is minus 2 upon M plus N means 4 plus 3, that is 7, 3 2 ja 6 minus 4 2 ja 8 by 7, so minus 2 by 7 is x coordinate of a point P. Answer is minus 2 by 7. That is your x coordinate. Now let me find out the y coordinate. You know how to find out y coordinate. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M 3 y2 minus 4 plus n 4 y1 means minus 2 upon m plus n 7. So minus 12 minus 8 by 7 is equal to minus 20 by 7. Therefore, the conclusion is coordinate of point P is x means minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. So friends, about example number 8, A and B are given to you, x1, y1, x2, y2 is given to you, one relation is given to you. The relation comprises AP and AB. You can easily convert AP into PB, so you can get M and N. By using M and N, x1, y1 and x2, y2. By using section formula, you can easily find out the value of x and y. Well, now the second last example of this exercise, example number 9. Well, find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining point A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal part. You know, we have solved one example similar to that, and that is point of trisection. Points which divide a line segment into 3 equal parts. Here you have to find out the coordinate of the point which divide a line segment into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means there are 3 points between these two. P, let me say Q, and the third one is R. So AP first part, PQ second part, QR third part, and RB that is fourth part. So here you have to find out the coordinate of point A. Let me say x dash y dash. For Q, let me say x double dash y double dash. And for point C, let me say x triple dash and y triple dash. So here you have to find out the coordinate of 3 different points, that is P, Q as well as R, because this point divide a line segment AB into 4 congruent equal parts. You know, here we can say AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. So from this we can say that Q is nothing but is a midpoint of AB, because AQ is equal to QB. So you can write Q is a midpoint of AB. So you can easily find out the coordinate of Q by using midpoint formula. So x double dash y double dash is equal to midpoint of these two, means x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Similarly 2 plus 8 by 2. So you can write 0 by 2. Here you can say 10 by 2. So your answer is 0 and 5. So now you get the coordinate of Q, that is 0, 5. You know, in this example you have to use midpoint formula 3 times. First to find out the value of Q, then you can easily find out the value of P by using midpoint formula, and at last you can also find out the value of R with the help of midpoint formula. I have already found out the value of Q with the help of midpoint formula. Now here you can say P is a midpoint of AQ. We can say that P is a midpoint of AQ. So by using midpoint formula, x dash y dash is equal to minus 2 plus 0 by 2 as well as 2 plus 5 by 2. So here you can write minus 2 by 2 and 7 by 2. So minus 1 and 7 by 2 is a coordinate of point P. So you can easily find out the value of Q with the help of midpoint formula as well as value of P with the help of midpoint formula. Now let me find out the value of R with the help of midpoint formula. So R is a midpoint of QB. So X triple dash Y triple dash is equal to Q and B. So 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2. Here 2 by 2 comma 13 by 2 is equal to 1 and 13 by 2. So in this example, coordinate of A and B is given to you. You have to find out the points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So there are 3 points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts, and they are P, Q and R. First of all, we have find out the coordinate of Q with the help of midpoint formula. Midpoint of AB, that is Q. Then we have find out the coordinate of P, that is x dash y dash, by using midpoint formula, that is P is a midpoint of AQ. Similarly, R is a midpoint of QB, and by using midpoint formula, we can also find out the value of R, that is x triple dash y triple dash. Well, now last example number 10. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are given to you, that is 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. You know, rhombus is given to you. According to 9th standard, the half of the diagonal of rhombus is equal to the area. So area is equal to half of product of their diagonal, means AC into BD. So let me find out first AC, BD, put the value in this formula, so you can easily find out the area of rhombus. So AC is equal to under root, A means 3, 0, C means minus 1 and 4. So AC means 3 minus 1 means plus 1 whole square, and 0 plus 4 whole square. So 3 plus 1 16, 4 square plus 16, so 2 under root 6. So under root 32, so 16 into 2, so AC is equal to 4 under root 2. Now let me find out BD. Is equal to under the coordinate of B is 4, 5. Coordinate of D is minus 2, minus 1. So the value of BD is 4 minus 2 means plus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square. 4 plus 6, 6 whole square 36 plus 6 whole square 36. So you can write 2 into 36. So 6 under root 2, that is the value of BD. Now the formula of area is equal to 1 by 2 into AC into BD, that is 1 by 2. AC means 4 root 2 into BD means 6 root 2. Root 2 cancel.